Stop scrolling, because I'm about to show you how to turn Zillow, yes Zillow, into your personal wholesaling goldmine. We're diving deep into RJ Bates' strategies for finding and structuring wholesale real estate offers directly on Zillow. Forget the competition, we're going straight to the source. First things first, target your search. We're talking distressed properties here. Set your price range to properties below market value. Use keywords like fixer-upper, needs TLC, or handyman special, and crucially, sort by newest to find properties sitting on the market. These sellers are often more motivated. Now, before you even think about making an offer, you need your numbers. Calculate your maximum allowable offer, or MAO, that's after repair value, ARV, times 70%, minus repair costs, minus your desired wholesale fee. Know your market's ARV. Once you find a suitable property, it's time to make an offer. When submitting your offer, make it competitive but not too high. Leave room for negotiation while also enticing the seller to consider. Time to make your move. Look for the contact agent button. Don't be afraid to ask about the seller's motivation or if they've had other offers. This intel is pure gold. Remember, speed is key here. In a competitive market, the fastest wins. So, ditch the tired methods and start mining Zillow for wholesale deals. Implement these steps, and you'll be well on your way to closing more deals and building your real estate empire. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more game-changing strategies.